There's some cute little games outside for the kids. There's a giant chicken. There's the lighthouse building. You go up the steps and inside's a gift shop and you get to the lighthouse from there. Hi. Today we decided to come out, brave the cold, and we are in Tuckerton, New Jersey at the Tuckerton Seaport. Right now I'm up in the lighthouse. This is one of the floors like under the lighthouse. And we're gonna go on a boat ride soon. So we're gonna go check it out, see what we can walk around and see before it gets too dark, and check in with you later. Bye. Little tree. Kind of little nautical ornaments on it. There are the stairs. They're all nicely decorated. What's this stuff up here? Lots of Christmas. Ton of different kind of trees. I remember having these kind of ornaments growing up. These are some of the things before you go up into the lighthouse. That's called a Barnegat Bay sneak box. They have it all decorated for Christmas in here too. They have a cute little gift shop, lots of stuff in it. Of a bat tree. They're made of old bottles. Let's see if I can get a close-up of them. They have little eyes on them. Birdhouse with a skeleton inside. Oh, and there's the Jersey Devil. Hiding back there in the shadows. It's a great big star. And that should be the last of the steps going up to the lighthouse. And we are at the top of the lighthouse. I am very out of breath, sorry. We don't have steps at our house, so going up steps kills me. Some water across the street. This is inside. So we just came up those steps. And I think that boat right down there is the one we're going to be going on. This is, I guess it's called, is this called Seaport Village? Yeah, Seaport Village. I don't know how much time we'll have to walk around. That and the fact it's really cold. But we are going on a boat ride and it's supposed to be an hour, so we might be popsicles by the time we get back. But we'll see how it goes. Kind of bummed you can't really see the lighthouse element from up here. I guess you can only see that from the ground. So I'll get some pictures when we're back downstairs. Way off in the distance is a water tower. It says Tuckerton on it. That's where we are, Tuckerton, New Jersey. And this is the next tier down. There's a closer picture of the boat we're going to be going on. Closer pictures of the seaport. They have it all decorated too. They have a tree and a snowman. And they have a reindeer. Some other little trees. Very festive. They have icicle lights. Oh, there's the tower up there. And it says Joy. Someone decorated that too. Lights all going around it. How did this roadside attraction giant chicken end up at Tuckerton Seaport? Well, you can read about it and find out. There he is. He's way taller than me. And he goes way back there. He is humongous. Isn't he adorable? Oh, he's cute. Just simple, plain wooden ornaments. There's the dock. There's the boat we're gonna go on. And here's the dock we're walking on right now. I guess it's like a boardwalk. And we're gonna walk around before the boat ride and see what we can see. Giant light up present. Buildings have lights. There's a little reindeer over here. It's kind of hard to see some of them because it's not quite dark yet, but it's gonna get dark very soon. Look how cute this is. An ornament walkway. But that's pretty when it gets dark. There's reindeer on the roof and a sled. Now we're gonna walk through the walkway. Kind of stuff on the other side too. I'm not really sure how you get to the other side, unless you just have to backtrack and go back and around. It's a little houseboat. That's cute. Little teeny windows. It's called a floating bungalow. Uh-oh, we got an open window. Can't be good. We got lights on it. Hi guys! What are you doing? You guys don't look cold at all. Okay, nice seeing you. Your decorations all over. Another one. All the trees have lights. And then you probably can't see them because it's not dark yet. Candy canes galore. Decoy shop. It's one of the decoys. Look who I found. It's Rudolph. Here's one decoys in the water. This one's candy themed. And this says it's another decoy shop. It says home of the Tuckerton Seaport Youth Carving Club. I guess they teach the kids how to carve the decoys. And here's some more festive things. Snowman. This one's got lights around it too, and it's got a big silver reindeer on top. Oh, it's Prancer. I was wondering where he hangs out. Now I know. There's Santa. Another one of his reindeer. We got penguins. We got a polar bear. Got more penguins. Oh, these are really cute. Very colorful. Not sure what all the poles are for, unless it was something from a garden. I don't know. There's the train at the little playground. Here's the pirate ship at the playground. There's the view from the boardwalk. I wasn't expecting there to be a mini golf course back here. There's a sea monster. I can't really see his head too well. Got one hump, and he's got a tail sticking in the water. Some ducks in the background. I'm not sure what this is. The Willie K. It's got a wheel in there. I don't see any signs. The windows are down. Maybe we can see inside. There's a thing on the Coast Guard boat. And it is over there, across the water. Looks like down there is the end of the dock that we were on, or boardwalk, whatever you want to call it. And a bunch of kayaks over there. And there's a bunch of boat slips. Pretty cloud reflections in the water. Here's another one of these houseboats. This one's called the Skinner Donnelly Houseboat. Someone has little herb gardens. Looks to be some cherry tomato plants. It's like a camouflaged boat. They have another boat up here. I guess it's a boat. Not sure where you'd sit. Maybe that lifts up and you sit inside. They have a little free library. Please help yourself to a book or two. Isn't that nice? They have a lot of books in there. This building's called the Tuckerton Seaport Office. Guest entrance, gift shop, and boat is down at the lighthouse, which is way down there. These boats are called sneak boxes. It's indigenous to Barnegat Bay. There's another one up here. Trip over the curb. They have duck feet guiding you to the lighthouse on the sidewalk. Another boat. This one doesn't have a sign. I think Santa's drunk. Dock railing. Got that all pretty. Well, we're back from the boat ride. We had a great time. It was a little cold, but it wasn't as bad as I thought. I took some video. It's not really that, I don't know that it'll be that interesting to do its own video, so I'll probably just put it all together in one. Get some really pretty clouds, and saw some birds. That was about it. It was fun. Definitely would do it again. It was a very nice, relaxing boat ride. A little cold, but we bundled up. So check you later.